Hello everyone, just came back from the range with the FMK 9C, I think it is, and it worked flawlessly. There you can see there, FMK USA, and the firearm is clear. There you can see I had no extraction issues, I had no feeding issues, and here you can see the slight cut right here. I bought this gun like 2 years ago. It was put away and I didn't shoot it for that period of time, and today finally I got to shoot it. It came with an optic, but I took it off because I've seen some videos where you know, they like it doesn't go into battery and stuff like that, and you know, it doesn't make sense for me to then have an optic there, just giving it more weight to the slide, taking energy from the slide, you know. But it shot pretty good. The only issue I had with it was one light primer strike, and that could have been ammo, that could have been the way I clean my firearms. Is I would dip them in oil with an ultrasonic cleaner and then clean them. Sometimes the striker channel will get oily, greasy. I've had this problem with some other of my firearms because that's the way I clean them, especially the used ones I buy. This one was used when I bought it. But yeah, you can tell it hasn't been shot too much. Let me get the weight on it. It's kind of like a Glock clone. It's made in the USA, I believe, in California. So the weight is 668 grams, 1 pound 7.5 ounces, or 23.5 ounces. So yeah, it shot pretty good. Let me show you now the trigger weight. Alright, let's do the first one. If I can here, it doesn't slip. Oh crap, hold on. Do this off camera. There we go, so 7.6. Let me take the magazine out. And I'm going to do 2 pulls on this one. Let me enter that. 6.14. So that's around 7.2. 7.2. Average, I don't know. So, and let me show you the trigger real quick. So that's the take up, break, reset, right there, break. So the trigger's not that bad. It shot pretty good. Alright, next I'm going to show you the range video. One last look around. Alright, stay tuned. FMK.
right on target.